So I'm here in White Beach in Boracay. Medyo malumot lang siya. So it's around 6 in the morning. So I haven't eaten my breakfast. Ganda. Ganda oh. Though malumot lang siya. Let me show you. Malumot lang siya, but then again, the view is so stunning, literal.
Look at this view. Sobrang ganda niya. Lalo na ito. So picturesque. Very calm ang weather today. Itong area pwede kang mag-swimming.
Pero hindi naman ganun kalumot.
Ayun si Kuya, may crystal kayak. Try natin yung tanong.
So I'm currently here in Station 1. Punta tayo dun the, sa grotto.
Magtampisaw muna tayo at nangaakit ng tubig dagat.
Let's take a dip. Ang dami.
Napakalinaw talaga ng tubig, though may konting lumot lang.
There's a fish.
Puntahan natin si Kuya, yung nagki-crystal kayak. Tanong natin kung magkano, then let's try it.
Chill lang tayo. So, asa rin tayo. Charis.
Ayan na, mukhang nasisensya ta ni Kuya na sasakay tayo ng crystal kayak. Tanong natin kung magkano.
Guys, magki-crystal kayak tayo. Saan lang kuya? Dito?
Guys, be careful lang. There you go. Finally, nakapag-crystal kayak na rin. Sa gitna ka na lang umupo para at least medyo balance.
It's good. For 150 guys, crystal kayak. Let's try. Kuya, anong pangalan mo kuya?
Sam po.
Sam. Pag pumunta kayong Boracay dito, puntahan niyo si Kuya Sam. Diyan ka lang lagi kuya sa may The Muse?
Ay, pick ako eh.
Sa Epic.
Oo, Epic City Mall.
Ayan, pag nakita niyo si Kuya sa Epic sa May The Mall, book niyo na siya for crystal kayak. Murang-mura lang.
Grabe, oh, so clear.
Maganda pag mga ganitong oras mag-crystal kayak para at least maganda yung view and konti pa lang yung mga tao.
Doon din yung balik natin kuya.
Tapos na pala.
Ha? Pa-picture tayo kay kuya. Okay, just had my crystal kayak. So, punta tayong grotto na. Tayo doon. Sarap pag swimming pag ganitong morning para hindi mainit. Look at that. So beautiful.
Mas magandang mga ganitong oras lumabas kasi konti lang ang tao. Also, pag nagpa-picture ka, mas maganda ng backdrop mo kasi yung lugar mismo And at the same time, mas serene, calm, and quiet landscape.
I'm a little bit hungry na. So kung dito kayo sa Boracay, we just want to chill vacation. No rush. Well, vacation is supposed to be a chill day, right? So, I don't know. Medyo malayo pa siya. Mukha lang Sorry, mukha lang siya malapit. Pero medyo malayo pa. Guys, we're here sa grotto.
Look at that. Ang ganda. May mga nag-o-offer din ng kayak dito. Later, tanong natin kung magkano. Kung mas mura ba. Pero I think alam ko mas mahal ang area dito for kayak kasi malapit siya sa grotto. And if you notice, marami na rin tao. Mas madami po mamaya pag mga afternoon yung pa-sunset. So, maganda yung ganitong oras. Mas maganda rin na low tide ngayon, kaya mas accessible siya at hanggang tuhod lang. Unlike pag high tide, lalo na kung hindi naman maliligo or ayaw talaga totally mabasa.
Oye, di mo may chichip ko ya.
Tara, punta tayo.
Ang lamig. Hanggang tuhod lang siya. Actually, hindi pa nga tuhod eh. Ang ganda. Very clear water. And etong area, nasa tuhod lang siya. So, play tayo dito. Sa grotto. Fair Lady of Lords. Hindi naman ganun kahaba yung pila. Pero usually, sa likod ka muna magpapapicture habang magkakantay.
Sakit tayo.
Dahan-dahan lang sa pag-akyat ng mga seniors, PWD, and kids kasi medyo madulas. Dito na lang muna tayo sa likod ng grotto. Slightly mahaba pa or matagal pa silang napapapicture. Pero enjoy muna natin tong view. Ang sarap mag-swimming at tumambay ng mga ganitong oras. Try nyo din yung ganitong oras, mga 6 a.m.
Here, sa likod ako ng grotto. Yes. Ganda ng view.
Look at that. Ang ganda. Lost for words. Sarap mag-swimming eh. Kasi low tide. Sige. Baba na muna tayo. Check natin kung pwede na magpa-picture. Hindi tayo nakasingit guys. But it's okay. Let them enjoy. At least nakapag-pray naman tayo.
Guys, gutom na ako. Hanapin na tayo ng makakain.
So, sa Tapakin na lang tayo. Kasi ito yung mas malapit. Ayaw ko maglakad. So, I ordered chicken tocino and coffee for my breakfast. Okay, so... Actually, mas malapit lang siya sa Astoria, Boracay, kung saan yung meeting place for the island hopping. Kaya ito yung mas malapit na napili natin. Just a few steps lang para hindi na tayo lumayo.
I'm done with my breakfast. So, dito tayo ngayon sa White Beach. So, let's just enjoy the view, appreciate God's creation while waiting sa island hopping. So, punta tayo doon around 8:30. Okay?
May bata kanina, pinuntahan ako, sabi niya, Sir, pa-picture ka. Gagawin kitang si Alden Richards. What? Donation lang daw. Kahit magkano yung bibigyan. Sige, try natin later. By the way, then yung embarkation for island hopping, parasailing, mga water activities. Yan.
We're here at the location for island hopping. Mag-start pa naman ng mga 9. So we're already here around 8:20. 8:40 pa daw yung pupunta yung coordinator. So dito lang siya sa harap ng Astoria, Boracay. So dito yung meeting place. I booked this through Klook. So I'll share the link below later on.
Just to give you an update, bandang harap ng Astoria, Boracay ako nag-antay since yun ang meet-up information sa Klook. But then again, yung ibang agencies na tinanungan ko sa area, ang sabi nila is yung sa Klook daw, sa harap na ng Tapaking ang meet-up. So, dumating naman yung tour coordinator around 8:45 a.m. Pinakita ko lang yung sa Klook voucher at may pinaperma silang insurance. So, you have to make sure na nabasa nyo kung anong pinaperma sa inyo. Also, nag-advise sila na bumili na ng tubig since walang nagbebenta ng tubig. Or kung meron man, sa Puka Beach na daw. Although medyo pricey siya. So, yeah, bili mo na kayo water.
So we are now going to the boat.
Sundan nyo lang yung mini flag from your tour coordinator. By the way, comment down below kung sino yung naka-experience before na ang pag-dock ng mga bangka ay sa mismong White Beach. Then, tell us your experience sa ginagawa. For this particular tour, I booked this through Klook. Ang title is Boracay Tour Package, Island Hopping. So, join-in tour siya for only 900 pesos per head. So, the departure time is 9 in the morning in White Beach in front of Astoria, Boracay. So, included na sa tour na pupuntahan is snorkeling either sa Balinghay or Coral Garden, Crystal Cove Island Resort, lunch included na rin sa Tambisatan Beach, Puka Beach. Then, ang return is around 2 to 3 in the afternoon. So, this is around 5 to 6 hours island hopping tour. So, hindi kasama sa package ang hotel pick-up and drop-off, insurance, snorkeling gear, this is around 100 pesos. Snorkeling fee, 100 pesos din siya. And then, entrance fee sa Crystal Cove, 300 pesos. Pero if you don't want to go inside, pwede naman. And then, towels, hindi rin siya kasama.
Welcome to Triple Arbor.
I'll get your life jacket here. And then you can find your seat up there. Morning, get your life jacket here.
Bebenta siya ng waterproof case. Cute.
Thank you for supporting my small business. 500 na. Ang cute pa ba yan? Bayad cash on delivery. Kasya yan. Later finding 1,000! Dito! Yes! Finding the Rimo. Grabe lang, our second stop are going to the beautiful Crystal Cove Island. So that is a private island. The view inside that island is really, really majestic. It's so beautiful inside that island. So entrance fee 300. But some of you here, they pay already. Add-on in Klook. Grabe lang, our third destination, we're going to Crocodile Island. And that is for sightseeing only. Of course, hello, it's scary. Yeah, because there's a lot of crocodile there. So they say only for photo op and sightseeing. Then after that, our next stop, we're going to Tabitaan Beach. And that is for our buffet lunch. Yes, that is buffet. So we have laser unlimited. No. Unlimited rice. Yeah. So after that, our last stop, we're going to the beautiful Puka Beach. So in Puka later, we have our famous crystal kayak there if you want. Alright, so that's all guys. Everybody, let's enjoy our tour. Yeah! And of course, a lot of applause to our boat captain and the crews. Yeah! Say bye, Boracay! See you tomorrow. This is overnight tour. Are you guys ready? Yeah! Let the party begin.
Dito tayo sa taas na. Snorkeling time. Area you can swim in the entry point only. So swimming is only optional. For non-swimmer, you can bring your life jacket. Crystal. We're currently here in Crystal Cove. There's an entrance fee of 300 pesos, which is not included when I book the through book. So you need to prepare around 300 pesos. Kayo magpa-picture dito sa I Love Crystal Cove or later pagbalik. Pwede kayong magbayad ng entrance fee sa gate, but in my case, nagbayad na lang ako sa tour coordinator. Then binigyan niya na lang ako ng ticket. Yung naririnig yung pumipito, yan yung tour coordinator namin para alam daw namin kung saan siya susundan.
Mga anak! Mga apo! may hacienda. I'm rich. Siyempre, ambisyo ka na tutuhin mo na, di ba? Okay. Okay, let's begin. Sige, representative naman sila. Okay, everyone, toilet. Toilet, go down, right side. Cob 1. So that is Cob 1 over there. So swimming is not allowed, but you can also go down because the view inside the cave is really beautiful. Going to Cob 2, that way. So there's two way if you want shortcut. First corner, turn right. In Cob 2 area, you can swim in the entry point if you want to swim. And also going there, the view is also beautiful. So it's your free time. It depends on you how to consume your time. I will give you a freedom. So Cob 1, going to Cob 2, going to outside. Check all your things before you leave. Exactly 11:20. What time? 11:20. 11:20. Don't be late, please. Again, this is a group tour. And most of you
Okay, currently here in Cove 1 in Bristol. Ang ganda nga. Ganda. Bawal mag-swimming currently kasi grabe yung current.
Okay, check natin dito sa may baba kasi I notice maraming pumupunta rin dito to check. Alright.
There were rocks in the road.
See, ito yung pwede ka na maligo pero dahil malakas yung pinapawal. Yes! We're here sa baba. Parang nulita lang. Ayan, dito.
Grabe no. I must try. Ganda. First time to dito. Crystal Cove.
Sabi nila, solo traveling daw is the ultimate form of self-discovery. You will know yourself better and gives you an absolute freedom to follow the known and unknown path. Naririnig ko palagi na ang tapang-tapang ko daw kasi solo traveler ako. Or kung paano ko siya nagagawa. Well, when I tried solo traveling way back in 2015, that was the scariest, most liberating, and life-changing decision that I have ever made. Nakakatakot siya kasi you don't know what lies ahead. And also, you need to be cautious and careful by being reliant to yourself. Your self-doubt will transform into permanent inner strength. Liberating kasi it allows you to exist entirely based on your own terms. And you will learn also kung sino ka talaga, especially when no one is watching or judging. Life-changing siya kasi you view the world differently, setting aside your personal biases to a certain location to appreciate its unique qualities and challenges. And yes, each place has its own identity and will never be compared to another destination.
Dapat na tayo. Never miss an update. Hit subscribe, like, follow, share, and click the notification bell if you had fun watching.